Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix Cash App not letting me add paper money. So, let's get started. Start by opening the Cash App. Tap the banking icon located in the bottom left corner and select Deposit Paper Money. This will display nearby retailers where you can make a deposit. If the app doesn't allow you to proceed, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Support. In the search bar, type Paper Money and click on the first result, which will be for Paper Money Deposit. This section provides information on supported deposit locations. By selecting a location, you can view additional details about where deposits can be made. If you still can't deposit paper money, return to the support section and choose the option labelled Experiencing an Issue. For problems depositing at a specific location, click Contact Support. In the chat, provide the store's name, address, and a detailed explanation of the issue. Cash App's support team will contact the store directly to resolve the problem on your behalf. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.